Hey beauties, today I'll be showing you my Monistat 7 scalp treatment for hair growth. So I'm starting off with dry hair and I'm going to lightly mist it with my water and just comb it through to help with the detangling process. And just to keep track of my growth, I'm going to take my tape measure and measure the length of my hair. So using this bottom strand of hair, it's looking like it's at about 15 inches. I'm also going to measure a strand at the top and it's at about 16 inches. So to make my life easier, I'm going to separate my hair into 4 sections per usual. Working with my first section, I'm going to lightly mist that section again with water and take my wide tooth comb and detangle it. And then I'm going to take my color brush and also my oil treatment, or my scalp treatment, sorry. If you haven't seen the video on how I make this, click the link below and I will show you the steps. So I'm just going to dip my brush into the mixture and apply it to the bottom of that section. And then I'm going to take my rat tail comb and part a small section and apply the scalp treatment to that section as well. I like to apply it to the top of the section and also the bottom of the neck section just to make sure that my scalp is like super covered. And I'm going to continue parting small sections and applying the scalp treatment to my scalp. It's important to remember when doing this to only apply the treatment to your scalp since it is a scalp treatment. You don't want to apply it to the ends of your hair. I found later on, after doing the treatment for a little minute, that I would apply the product to my scalp and then I would follow up with a deep conditioner on my ends just to make sure that my hair was moisturized because my hair did get kind of dry. Once I finish a section, I like to go back over the perimeter of that section just to make sure that everything is coated. And I also like to make sure that I get them edges because I've noticed that my edges are a little thin. So I wanted to make sure that I hit those up. Then I'm just going to twist that section up and secure it with a hair tie and move on to the next section. And I'm literally going to repeat the exact same steps that I did on the previous section on all of the sections. now that all my sections are complete, I'm just going to take my fingertips and massage my scalp just to make sure that the scalp treatment is really penetrating my scalp. It'd be best to use latex or plastic gloves, but I didn't have any, so I had to use what I had. And then I'm just going to tie my hair back and apply a shower cap to cover my hair. I'm going to let the scalp treatment sit on my hair for 1 hour. After an hour, I'm going to wash the treatment out. It's very important to remember to make sure that your hair is directly under the water. You do not want to leave any of this treatment on your hair. Trust me, it would not be a good thing. So I'm just going to rinse the treatment out of my hair, wash it with my shampoo, and then follow up with my conditioner. And just a little side note, my hair is like really lathering up, which it never does on the first wash. So I guess the treatment has really like cleaned my scalp. Once I finish, I'm just going to put my hair in a cotton t-shirt to allow it to dry, and I'm going to style as I usually do. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can see my go-to protective style as I did this treatment, and I will see y'all in my next video. Deuces.